Imagine the world has gone quiet. The familiar sounds of daily life, cars passing, people talking, the distant hum of electricity, have all faded away, leaving only an eerie stillness. The hum of civilization is gone, replaced by a deep, unsettling silence that stretches for miles. It's a silence that makes you realize just how much we rely on the background noise of modern life. Then suddenly, a gasoline generator roars to life. To you, it's a lifeline, a way to keep your lights on, your food cold, and your devices charged. But to everyone else, it's a beacon in the darkness, a signal that someone nearby has what they need. That noise announces you have resources, making you a target in desperate times when people are searching for any sign of help or supplies. Many survival plans overlook this crucial detail. We focus on gathering what we need, but rarely consider how to protect it from prying eyes and ears. A loud generator is like a flashing sign. Supplies here, drawing unwanted attention to your doorstep. The sound can travel for miles, attracting not just the curious, but the desperate and dangerous as well. In a crisis, attracting attention is the last thing you want. Every extra pair of eyes increases your risk. The risk isn't just noise. Gasoline fumes and exhaust can also give away your location, even if you try to hide the sound. Bright lights shining from your windows at night are another giveaway, signaling your presence to anyone nearby. Traditional generators were built for normal times, not for staying hidden during emergencies when stealth is key. Preparedness should make you safer, not more vulnerable. Every decision should be about reducing your risk, not increasing it. Rethink your approach. It's not about having the biggest or loudest setup, but the smartest and most discreet solution possible. True survival is about blending in, staying unnoticed, and outthinking potential threats before they find you. Your power source should be a silent partner, working quietly in the background, not a liability that puts you at risk. Power your essentials with quiet, efficient tools, enough to meet your needs without advertising your existence to the world. Shift your mindset from loud preparedness to quiet, resilient self-reliance. In uncertain times, subtlety is your greatest ally. In survival, silence is security. The quieter you are, the safer you'll be. Here's the stealth power paradox. Ironically, the more prepared you are for emergencies or disasters, the more visible you can unintentionally become to those around you. Stockpiling food, water, and backup power is smart, but it can also make you a bullseye for the unprepared and desperate when times get tough. Your strength, your readiness, can quickly turn into a weakness if you're not careful and stealthy about it. Imagine someone cold and hungry, wandering the streets, spotting a single lit window or hearing the hum of a generator. They'll come looking for help, or worse, for a way in. Some may approach seeking assistance, but others, driven by desperation, may try to take what you have by force. In a crisis, you simply can't risk drawing attention. Preparedness isn't just about having supplies, it's about practicing operational security, or OPSEC, to keep your resources hidden and your family safe. Flashy solar panels or a noisy generator are like beacons in a blackout, signaling to everyone that you have what they need. Your setup should be layered with both security and discretion, making it hard for anyone to know what you have. The solution isn't to be less prepared, but to make smarter, low-profile choices that keep your preparations under the radar. Use equipment that blends in with your surroundings and learn to operate it quietly and without revealing your position to others. In a crisis, your greatest asset isn't just your supplies, it's your anonymity and ability to stay unnoticed. Appear as if you're in the same boat as everyone else, blending in and not standing out in any way. Your power and resources should be invisible, felt only by you and your family, never obvious to outsiders. Become a ghost. Let your survival be silent, your presence undetected, and your safety ensured by staying in the shadows. In a crisis, power only what's essential. Forget the luxuries. When resources are limited, every decision matters. Prioritize what truly keeps you safe and alive. Focus on safety, health, and information. Communication is first. Staying informed can mean the difference between danger and safety. A hand crank or solar radio is vital for news and updates, letting you monitor changing conditions even when the grid is down. Two-way radios keep your group connected without shouting or leaving cover, allowing for silent coordination and quick responses. Lighting is next. The world is pitch black without the grid, but bright lights are risky. They can give away your position. Use low-level, targeted lighting. LED headlamps and small lanterns with adjustable brightness help you see without drawing attention. Just enough light to see, not enough to be seen. Stealth is as important as visibility. Power small medical devices or tools only if they're critical. Save energy for what truly matters: health and survival. Make a list of must-power items to calculate your true needs. Planning ahead prevents waste and ensures you're prepared. Build a system that's efficient, effective, and above all, quiet. Silence keeps you hidden and safe from unwanted attention. Powering essentials is the mission. Doing it silently is survival. Every sound can be a risk in uncertain times. Every watt counts. Use it wisely. Stretch your resources as far as possible. Invisibility is your best defense. Stay hidden, stay safe, and let your silent lifeline keep you alive. Solar power is silent and renewable, but big rooftop panels are a giveaway. Instead, use portable, foldable solar panels. Deploy them when needed, hide them when not. Set up panels in hidden, sunlit spots, secluded yards, balconies, or behind windows. Camouflage is key. Choose matte, non-reflective panels or use netting and natural cover. Break up outlines with brush or netting, but don't block the cells. Decentralize, spread smaller panels in different locations to avoid a single obvious target. One on a deck, another in a garden, harder to spot, easier to protect. Portability and camouflage keep your power invisible. Adapt your setup to the environment and threat level. Solar can be your stealthiest ally if you use it wisely. Stay flexible, stay hidden, harness the sun without raising a flag. When solar isn't an option, human-powered generators are your silent backup. Hand crank generators are perfect for charging radios, phones, or batteries. No fuel, nearly silent. Pedal-powered generators offer more power for bigger needs, like charging a power station or running small appliances. Both are portable, reliable, and don't depend on weather or fuel. A few minutes of effort can power crucial devices. These tools are simple, resilient, and immune to fuel shortages or theft. In a long-term crisis, your own energy is the ultimate fallback. Every preparedness plan should include at least one human-powered generator. They're the last line of energy security. Independence is power, literally. When all else fails, you are your own power source. In blackout conditions, light is both a necessity and a risk. Use the minimum light needed and keep it contained. LED headlamps with red light mode are ideal. Red light preserves night vision and is harder to spot. Blackout windows completely with blankets or plastic to prevent leaks. Use low output, distributed lights, small puck lights or LED candles in key areas. Avoid bright lanterns that create harsh shadows or spill outside. Practice strict light discipline. Seal all gaps before turning on any light. Islands of soft light keep you safe and unseen. Light is a tool. Use it wisely, never as a beacon. In darkness, discipline is survival. Information is survival, but communication can expose you. Use emergency radios to listen, not transmit. Gather intel without revealing your position. For team comms, use FRS GMRS radios on low power with earpieces for silence. Keep conversations brief and use codes. Hide antennas. Use thin wires in attics or along fences, not big rooftop setups. Stealth antennas are effective and invisible. Never shout or use loud radios. Keep logs of important info, but don't broadcast. Your ability to communicate should be a secret weapon. Stay informed, stay hidden. Let your signals be silent. Even a stealthy power system needs protection. Hide your main power station or batteries in secure interior rooms, not garages or sheds. Deploy solar panels in spots hidden from view, walled patios or fenced yards. Lock down pedal generators and panels with cables or chains. Store gear in locked containers for extra deterrence. Make theft inconvenient and risky. Practice noise and light discipline around your equipment. Cover bright displays and never discuss your setup where you can be overheard. Treat your power system like a secret. Security is about what others don't see. The future of preparedness is stealth, not strength. It's about smart, secure, and sustainable energy, not the loudest generator. Prioritize stealth, efficiency, and redundancy over raw power. Start small. A hand crank radio, LED headlamps, a power bank. Learn their limits and practice discipline. Add portable solar and a power station as you grow. Choose every piece for stealth and security. True preparedness is freedom. Freedom from fear and dependence. A stealthy power plan lets you survive on your own terms. Plan with intelligence, not bravado. Your safety may depend on the attention you don't attract. Think smarter, not louder. Stay safe, stay silent.